Hi guys, and this is Grace again and welcome back again to my channel. Every couple has a story and I am here right now at our chicken coop. So it's been few days I've not been doing some video because I've been so busy here in the house. So today we already have a deworm in our chicken. So they have a lots of worms. Some of our chickens they have a lots of worm. And it's good that we do some deworm today because some of our chicken they don't have appetite to eat, so hopefully they will get better after that. And we've been collecting some 5 eggs today. The chickens keeps following with me because I always give them some treat, but this afternoon I only give them some small treats for them because they're not supposed to eat a lot of foods because they just have that deworm medication and it's not supposed to be eat a lot. So maybe by tomorrow we can give them more foods. So some of our chicks, it's here in the pullet pen. They're getting better. It's inside in the pullet pen. And they're getting better. And also I was thinking that maybe we're gonna give them some probiotic drinks. So I am the one who make it, and I just buy some ingredients for the probiotics, and I'm gonna give them because that probiotic drinks, it's really good for them, especially for their immune system. So tomorrow I'm gonna buy all the ingredients to make. So I'm gonna oh gosh, look at that, guys. Just climbing here in the top of my head. It shocked me. I not really expect that one. Hey, mommy, no foods here. They really want that foods. Oh, another one here. Ouch! Don't bite, mommy, ha? Ah! It's pain. How? Gosh, it's pain. The feet, but it's really sharp. The nails. Because I'm not wearing some jacket on me, and look at that. Oh! Keeps biting on me. Don't hurt mama, please. I think I'm gonna stand because they miss their daddy, because my husband is they're in the house because he have that acid reflux this afternoon. He can't even barely eat his food because of the acids that disturb him, and he's a little bit better now. He just stayed there in the house. Look at the chicken there. And I'm gonna show you now what we have here. As you can see that they're waiting for the foods. I already gave them some foods, but they really want to have more. And we have 2 rooster over here on this side. So we let the bad boy, the rooster, the bad boy, will let him in because he's been teasing with the other hen and he's been hurting the other hen. So we put him inside in the rooster pen there over on that side. And look at them there. And also we are planning to give them some vaccination maybe by next week. So we're gonna buy some vaccine. We're gonna do some vaccination for our chicken to protect them from illness. Hopefully it will help. Look at, they just keep following on me. Hi. Just waiting for the foods. Tomorrow we'll give you more foods. But this afternoon, only small. It's been. So also guys, tomorrow we have a visitor. And one of my friend will be coming here in our house. She gonna visit us. She's been living in the US and she's been here in the Philippines I think 1 week now, and she have like a 1 month vacation here in the Philippines. So she gonna stay here in the house, and by Monday we gonna do a mini vacation. We gonna go to Dumaguete City, and we're gonna do some road trip together with my other friends. We're gonna have some mini vacation together with Virgil and the daughter of my best friend, and hopefully kids are enjoying and we are all enjoy, because Virgil we're gonna have classes soon. This coming July 29 he be going to the school again, and he needs to have like a mini vacation, because it be long time again that he can have a vacation because of classes. So we're gonna treat him. Maybe we're gonna go to the forest camp. It's located in Dumaguete City. They have a lots of swimming pools there, and it's just a very nice place because it's about nature. And also some of their swimming pool there, it's like fresh mountain water, so it's really good. And also they have some zip lines, hanging bridge, and it's just relaxing and very peaceful in that place where the forest camp is, because we've been there I think 3 times. Yeah, we've been there 3 times, and that place is very peaceful. And also they have that delicious foods in the restaurant, and also they have also some room that you can rent overnight. So hopefully we have a really good time there. And we also planning to go to the Twin Lake, and we're gonna do some boating, and we're gonna go to the Pulang Batu Falls. I've been there many times also, and because it's their first time, two of my friends, it's their first time to visit Dumaguete City, so we're gonna do some tour for them that place, and hopefully we are all enjoy our mini vacation there. So I'm gonna try to do more videos there in our road trip. Hopefully I can be able to do video, because sometimes if you're enjoying, you just forgot something that because you're enjoying yourself. So hopefully that I am able to do some video there. I'm gonna show you the place where we're gonna go. So look at the chickens here. We also gave them some malunggay tree this afternoon. As you can see, we tied it in the rope and hanging there. Look at that. So the chicken just love that malunggay leaf. Hi. Hi, buddy. Hi. Mama's here. So yesterday I'm not able to visit here because I'm been busy. I've been there in San Carlos City because my sister Dominga, she's applying some PhilHealth. It's an insurance, and it takes long time. it takes whole day because their system is offline. So it's like almost 4 p.m. we arrive here in the house. So we leave here around 9:30 in the morning. Then we arrive home around 4 p.m. So it's a whole day thing. But she got that Pell Health insurance, so that's a good thing because she accomplished that Pell Health. She will have that insurance now. It's a health insurance. Look at that. They're just very enjoyable to watch. That's Little John over there. So I'm gonna check the chicks. They're also in the pullet pen. So I'm gonna bring some alcohol. I mean, so that it's for their safety. So we have like 7 chicks here in the pullet pen. Hey, look at them. They just keep following me. So how I'm gonna enter there in the pullet pen? Guys, I'm gonna go inside, okay? I'm gonna check the other chickens, the other chicks. Just stay there. Hi, hey, Mama's here. They just running. Hi, hi there. So this,
Mommy, I found a rare stone.
so this one chick here, he can't barely walk because of his feet is not been straight. As you can see, the feet is not been first. Like this is a special chicks. Hi. He's a survivor also. He's a survivor. Hi. Mama's here. You miss Mama? Look at him. So the other chicks is over there in that side. 4, 5, 6 of them over there, and we have 1 here. So we have 7 chicks here in the pullet pen right now. And we have more coming. We have like 30 there in the incubator. So these supposedly hatch maybe next week. So later tonight we're gonna do some egg candling. I'm gonna check if all of the eggs is fine. So we're gonna check it later. Hopefully that all of them survive, because it's 30 eggs there in the incubator right now. So hopefully they will survive all. It will replace the one we lost. Hi, Mama's here. Look at that. They're scared. Why you're afraid? Mama will not gonna hurt. I'm not hurting you guys. Mama just miss you.
Mommy, you done feeding them?
Yeah, there's foods here. Don't give them too much foods, Langga, because they take some medication.
I found a super rare stone.
Really? Where did you find it?
In the river. Looks like
So tell them. What did you find, Virgil? What did you find?
a rare stone.
A real stone?
Looks like a gem.
A gem?
Mm.
Where did you put it? Show to them.
Beside, I not bring it.
Virgil found a real stone.
You know how much is it?
Yeah.
How much?
He found it there in the creek. The other day he found, what did you found the other day?
Diamond.
A diamond? Diamond. He's
Diamond.
just keep he's looking for a treasure there in the creek, and he found that gemstone. It's a gemstone, right?
Yeah.
It's a oh.
I searched in Google. It costs $800.
Wow, $800. That's big. We're gonna pawn it.
Yeah, ask Daddy.
Huh?
Ask Daddy.
Virgil found a gemstone, a real stone there in the creek, and he searched it in the Google. How much it? Virgil, how much it?
$800.
$900.
$800.
$800. Wow, that's too big. You're gonna pawn it there in the pawn shop. He's just enjoying looking some treasures there in the creek. Say hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
Wait, but then, oh, Virgil, they miss you lang ga. Chicken miss you.
Not going. I
Hmm.
only like this one. This one is so brave.
Yeah, that's a brave chicken there. Hi.
I think this is a Jersey Giant.
Jersey Giant.
Tell Daddy, Mom. It's rarer than the diamond.
Yeah.
The diamond only costs $500.
It's another beautiful afternoon here. Virgil, are you excited to go to Dumaguete?
Yeah, I'm gonna make a video.
You're gonna make them video? You're gonna make some video there? And I think that's all for today, guys. I'm just gonna do some short videos, and I really do appreciate all of you for watching my videos and for all the nice comment. Thank you so much, guys, for all the love and support, and thank you for taking time to write some comment on my videos. I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much again, guys, for watching my videos. And Virgil, if you are new to my channel,
If you are new to my channel, I don't know,
please,
please subscribe, like, and share.
come on, subscribe
Like.
and share. Thank you so much again, guys, and I'll see you again on my next video. So stay tuned for now, and God bless us all.
I will